They are from OI Germany and OI Switzerland. And I'd like to introduce them to you. Here is George, the CEO of OI.
Hello, sir.
I'm leaving my past behind.
We have here our bookkeeper from OI Germany.
Hello, ma'am.
Hand to yours.
And our friends from OI Germany, Julian.
Hi.
Have in store for me is good.
OI Switzerland, Rachel.
I will rejoice and be glad. Today is the day you have made.
Regina.
Hi, ma'am.
And I won't worry about
Hi, sir. Hi, sir.
you say. Today is the day. Today is the day.
Sila upang bisitahin po tayo at malaman
Fears aside, I'm leaving my doubts behind. I'm giving my hopes and dreams to you. Jesus,
Ang Parvos kasi maagang gumigising.
to yours.
Mga 5 o'clock.
Leaving so much more. All you have in store for me is good. It's good. Today is the day you